What's good? What's good with y'all? It's your boy King Vant. I got some exciting news. It's early in the morning, that's why I sound like that. I apologize. But for this video, I wouldn't say it's a banger, but I got some good stuff coming for y'all. Stay tuned. All I wanna say is I'm not gonna make this long how I normally do. But all I wanna say is 2022. Be on the lookout. Be on the lookout for me. All I want to say is I ordered a new charger. So yes, the V6 charger, the one I'm in now, it will be going. I apologize if people wanted to see more content on the V6 charger. My boy still has his, but that's going to change not very soon, but within the next year that would change too. But shout out to all the V6 owners. Hold it down. People be backlashing us because we got a V6, we don't got a V8. Da 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 da. You putting a wide body kit on it. Da da da. Man, do what you want. It's your car, your bill. If you want to express yourself with a wide body, go ahead. Narrow body, don't matter. Supercharged, stock, straight pipe, don't matter. Let it be known, it's your car. They don't pay your bills. I just want to say, I want to give big shout out to everyone who subscribed and who stay tuned to the channel. Without y'all, really, and the people who support me too. But without y'all, I wouldn't be motivated to do what I did. This right here, this took a lot. It took a lot. I've been trying to do this for the longest, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait. When it's my time will come. And I feel like my time has come. So shout out to y'all for for supporting the channel, supporting me, supporting my friends. I appreciate everyone who had a comment, whether it was good, bad. Appreciate the review, the pointers, all that. I appreciate the people also on Instagram. People who reached out to me, asked about it, like, what do you do, this. Shout out to you guys. Y'all real ones. I met a lot of new people from doing what I did. The experience opened up a lot of doors and opportunities for me. And I'm appreciating and I'm thankful for that. So, I mean, without further ado, let's get into the real detail. So, how should I say this? I don't want to give it away. I want y'all to really try to guess for real. But just know it's a 2022 Charger. And no, it's not a V6, it's a V8. But which V8? If y'all was here for the last videos, y'all seen I had a wide body. So maybe I got another wide body. Or maybe I just got the narrow body. All I want to say is that it's one of the new packages that they released. And hopefully, I'm praying that I'm the first one with this package. If y'all know, for some of the people I told, if the people I told that subscribe to my channel, if I told y'all, don't give it away. I mean, you can give hints, but don't give it away. But big shout out to Van Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram in Vineland. The car will be at the Vineland dealership. I live in Sicklerville, but I had a Turnersville Dodge. Shout out to them. They was having trouble ordering the car. They had like a restriction, so I had to go to Vineland. I talked to them very first about this, and they was like, "Yeah, we can get it done. We can get it done." I was like, "All right, cool." And I was like, "You know what? Let me try Turnersville before, because I live around the corner from them. Let me try Turnersville and see if they can get me to order it quicker, or like get me to order it, or help me order it, since I'm down the street around the corner from them." So big shout out to the Turnersville Dodge too, but really big shout out to Vineland. If y'all ever want to order a car, I will go to Vineland, Van Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, and Vineland. Ask for Keith or Amy. Big two salesmen. They're very good, very friendly, very nice. They respond back. Yeah, they'll get you right. Trust me, I promise. They'll get you right. They got me right, and I really appreciate them for that. I'm gonna go over little things in a package that maybe y'all can get hints. Oh, all right. I know what it is. All I'm gonna say is I have these are like my trim. What comes in my package? I'm gonna say I got a flat bottom steering wheel. Um, I got satin black Dodge tail lamp badge, I should say. Ventilated seats. Front power driver and passenger seat. I got what else? What else? What else? What I was saying? I think I said heated second row seats too. Maybe I said no. I said ventilated front seats, and I got heated second row seats. What else? What else? What else? Without giving it away. I don't know. Really, there ain't really much. Let me see this in this another package. All right, so I can tell you two packages I got with it. One of them had to come with it in order to get the bigger package. So I got the plus group package, and then I got the navigation and travel group package too. So I had to get the plus group in order to get the package that I really wanted. I'm gonna say the start of the build of the car, just with one package on it or whatever the package comes with it so far, the start of the car was $43,675. Just for the car itself, without the extra package. That's just the car. So y'all can take that and run with it, try to find it, do this and that. Right now, it's been I think it's been a week so far since I did this. I ordered this last week. I don't have a VIN yet. I'm still waiting on it. Once I get the VIN, then I can give you a little bit more detail. I don't have pictures of it. But there is pictures of the package on like Dodge itself. You can find that. Shout out to Dodge. Like I said, that's all I'm gonna give away for this video. It's just it's a stay tuned video to get y'all going for 2022. This was, like I said, this was a big accomplishment. Shout out to everyone who supported me of doing this and just leading me and guiding me in the right direction. Big shout out to everybody. I just want to say, as my experience, I'm just gonna give I just feel like I should give a little bit of wisdom to what I learned throughout my life. So there was times where people always doubted me on doing whatever I wanted to do. No matter if it was, oh, I want these sneakers, or I want this car, this and that. They always told me that, why do you need this? You don't need this. Get something that runs and drive. That is true. That's 100% true. You always get something that runs and drive, and then you build up to get what you really want. That's exactly what I did. But I knew in my mind, I had a goal, I had a plan. I know how I want to live my life. I know how I have things planned in certain ways that I have, like, I want to follow and I want to maintain. That's the only way for me that feels like that's how I can live my life. So pretty much, I'm just saying, this is all I'm saying, and then I'll probably leave it at that. Don't let people tell you what you can and can't do. If you want something, go get it. Work hard. I work hard to get this. Work hard to get what you want, whether it's a Hellcat, whether it's a Subaru, Honda, Maxima, no matter what it is. Shoes, pair of sneakers, the Jordans, Air Forces, Air Maxes, a new video game, a new Xbox, a new PlayStation. Doesn't matter what it is. Don't let nobody discourage you and say you don't need that, or you can't afford that. Technically, you can afford anything if you work hard for it. If you work hard, you can afford it. Guaranteed. Just keep a steady rhythm, steady pace, keep your confidence high. Don't let nobody drop your confidence. And also, surround you people who are successful and motivate you. Don't surround yourself with people who always bashing you. Oh, why you get this? Why you get this? Oh, you should have got this. You should have got. Don't surround your people with those people. Those are not good people. Those people will keep you exactly where you at right now if you didn't get one of your goals, or if you ain't touched one of your goals. They will hold you back. And then you're going to look back later on down the line. You can be like, dang, I should have got away from it. I wonder what happened if I got away from them earlier, or whatever. I wonder if I cut communication off with them earlier. So that's all I wanted to say. Like I said, shout out to everyone who subscribed, who stay tuned, who asked questions about the kit. I have parts. So pretty much what I'm doing, I'm making this car. I'm gonna take the wrap off. This car is going back to stock, back to white. Excuse me. Let me know. I have paddle shifters. I have the taser. I have a spoiler. And I don't know if I want to sell my lights. I might not sell the lights. But I have, that's the three main things. Oh, and the radio too. I have a radio. I have the, I think it's like 7.4 inch screen. I have that too. So let me know in the comments. You can hit me up on Instagram, DM me, TikTok, whatever. Hit me up if you're interested in buying any of these parts. I'm not selling them for expensive. I'm just getting what I paid for them. So that's all I'm looking for. That's pretty much all I got. Like I said, again, I'm gonna keep saying it. Shout out to everyone who subscribed. Turn on your post notifications. I promise. I'm gonna try to give a weekly update on the car. I'm gonna ask every week about it. They're going to get annoyed, but oh well, it's my car. I want to know the details. I'm gonna try to give a weekly update on the car every week. I'm gonna say every Saturday. Every Saturday, I can give y'all a video at least about the car. How far is it? Like I said, it's only been a week since I ordered it. So like I said, turn on your post notifications. Subscribe if you're new. I appreciate each and every comment, whether it's good feedback, bad feedback. And I appreciate for the people who subscribe and are rocking with me. There's a lot coming later on in the future. I'm gonna make some merch. I just gotta find out a good name. I have a name, but I wanna capitalize on it first. And like I said, if you ever have any questions, even the V6 owners, if you have any questions about anything about the car or the wide body kit, anything, reach out to me. Don't be scared. Reach out. I try to respond to everybody. Most likely I do. It's just when people start commenting on the YouTube thing, it's hard to respond to everybody because sometimes it don't pop up until like a week later for me. I don't know why. It usually don't. But yeah. Like I said, subscribe if you're new. Turn on your post notifications. We coming with bangers. Promise. I promise. Stay tuned. Got a lot of collabs. So if y'all ever heard of Casey Reloaded, shout out to him. I will subscribe to him. I will leave his link in the description. RT Life, yeah, I know everyone knows about him. RT Life, shout out to him. I'm gonna do a collab with him very soon too. I got in touch with him. That's pretty much all I got for y'all guys. Without further ado, I'm out, bruh.